I'd like to turn it over, first to Phyllis. I know you gave all the examples of the UBS's work and how, you would, give advice to this group of experts and how, we deploy our model moving forward.
Great. Well, thank you very much. It's really a pleasure to listen to this discussion because we all agree on what needs to be done. And it's just a matter of doing it, frankly. We recently put out a report from our Chief Investment Office that underscores this funding gap faced by female entrepreneurs and the root causes that are driving this. And it's really, it's not hard to figure it out. Most of the people giving the money are men, and we all like to give funding and financing to people who look like us and act like us. And so this is really, a critical issue. And so until we change that, we're not going to be seeing more money going to women entrepreneurs. One other example of a program we're supporting is something called Project Entrepreneur. And it aims to address the access to capital gap women face disproportionately. And we launched this program in 2015, and it provides training and education to help female founders get investment ready. But also, more importantly, to help connect them to the resources and networks that are essential to building and scaling their companies. And this is the kind of thing that we need to keep doing. And, there's innovative financing, complex ways to do this, but it's also quite simple. We need to see more women in positions of distributing financing. And this goes from government down to VC funds. And until we see that, we're not going to have more women getting the money. Mm-hmm. And so I think we can, we could talk a lot about what's needed, but we really need to start putting more women in these positions, frankly.